Menteri rangba kajala Konrad ke sangma hakakat santrik kelalingkan ula banjur halur ka Donkam ya ka jingmynjur lang jong baroh nak bynta ke projek lynti rel hapo kathan rilum khasi jantia da ka baong ngipen pau syai bangin penya syakman tat lada ngiladap penya selong bat yo ya ka jingmynjur lang jong baroh naluar kata ulapan pau ru ka jingsngo benyau bagi babuan ki parti san perthei kim shim lawan ya shimbenta satya ha ka jingelang jong baroh ki parti banyakran halor ka nikaman u konrar ulakin turu eki parti liang persya bakin wanyas nok tilang ha ka jingakran da ka baong langi menjur ne ngim menjur henry lemdang yakran ngin empoi shanu ulayai banru ya ka jingkut jingmut jong ka sorkar ban pelong ya ka jingakran bat baroh ki kinhun ki badan benta da ka baong ngindang beteng ban pensngot ho shaki pa halur ki jingmentoy jong kani bat ngin persyang ban le halur ki jingso kya ka ba kila bandan bat ban pet langi la ne ban poi shaka jingshim rai hadin bangin la ban ra ekran sha Delhi ulaban jorru bak projek lentiral kalong ka bakong san shibun na kabenta ka yo ka kan bat ka roy ka par henry ula kubur ya ka jinglong ka bahaban husyar bha bat ka badan kam ban bishar benya ka sorkar kala thau ya ka all party committee banyakran halor ka projek lentiral henry kattu ka ni ki seng san perthei kala kentan banya shimbenta
that it's a sensitive issue. And hence, for us as a government, we have been very clear that we will only move forward once we have a consensus, once we have dialogue and discussion, and we have some sort of agreement on how we can move forward in this together. And that is why, keeping that in mind, we had formed a committee. Committee means we had called a meeting, for an all-party meeting to discuss this matter. And of course, most of the parties didn't come to the meeting, and they just, in fact, some of them even wrote to us saying that we will not be part of this discussion. So that's where we stand. So we have to understand that whether we agree or we disagree, until unless we don't talk, we're not going to reach anywhere. So if you don't want to talk also, and then at the same time when we try to do something, and then you say that why are you doing it now and why didn't you discuss with us? It's difficult to move forward. So we are very clear, we are going to move forward only when we are able to consult and get everybody on board, and we will not move forward with anything until unless there is some sort of consensus in this. And continuously we are trying to engage with everyone, and we will continue our engagement. We will continue to explain to people about the benefits of this, and we'll try to address the concerns that they may have, and see if we are able to come to a meeting point, following which we would be able to take it to Delhi.